Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to reduce RAM usage in Google Chrome using its built-in task manager. If Chrome is using too much memory on your computer, it can slow down your system and affect performance. Chrome now comes with an updated task manager interface that helps you easily identify memory heavy processes. Let's see how to use it. First, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Now press Shift plus Escape on your keyboard to open Chrome Task Manager. At the top, you will see different tabs like tabs and extensions, browser, all tasks, search. Click on the all tasks to view every running processes. Now look at the memory footprint column to identify which tab, extension or process is using the most RAM. Select the unnecessary or heavy process. Then click on the End Task button at the bottom. This will instantly free up memory and improve Chrome's performance. You can use the search option to quickly find a specific tab or extension if needed. That's it. This is one of the easiest ways to reduce RAM usage in Chrome without installing any extensions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows. Thanks for watching.